such a beautiful animated story using Bluewillow and Pikalabs. You all showed a lot of love to that video, and for that, I genuinely thank all of you. In today's video, I will explain you how you can create a thrilling and suspense horror animated story of this kind in just 3 simple steps. So let's begin. First of all, in step 1, we need to go to Chatgpt and generate a thrilling and suspense horror story script from here. I have given it this prompt: write a horror story for YouTube. Along with that, I have also instructed it to describe the story scene by scene, and we need to obtain image prompts from here as well. You will find the exact prompt in the description section, which you can copy it from there. Now, Chatgpt has created the entire story script for us, scene by scene, and we have also got image prompts from here. Now, let's move on to step 2. Bluewillow AI is the platform we are using here. I have already created a detailed video on Bluewillow AI in my previous videos, so you can either check the description or click on the I button above to watch that specific video. To begin, you need to join any OneRookie channel on the Discord server. Once done, you can generate images for your story from here. In the prompt box below, type /imagine and then copy the first image prompt from Chatgpt. Then paste this prompt into Bluewillow's prompt box. At the end of the prompt, add cartoon style, because we are looking for animation style images. You can also mention the aspect ratio, like 16:9, as we're creating videos for YouTube. If you are creating videos for shorts or reels, you can choose 9:16 ratio. After this, hit enter, and within seconds, Bluewillow will generate 4 images for you. Now take a look. It has provided us with these fantastic images. Choose the ones you like. For instance, I prefer the first one, so I'll click on U1 and then click Open in Browser to download it. After this, return to Chatgpt again. Copy the next image prompt and paste it in the prompt box, but remember not to delete the first prompt. Instead, paste the second prompt after it. This ensures the story is continued. Then click the plus icon and upload the image. This will maintain image continuity to some extent, and it will generate similar matching images with the first one rather than a different one. For each scene, follow this approach to maintain authenticity and continuity in the story. After pasting the prompt and adding details, hit enter. You can now see that Bluewillow AI has generated these images, which closely resemble the first scene. Use this technique for every scene to generate similar yet distinct images, ensuring consistency throughout the story. Remember, in the image prompt, you need to upload the last image you downloaded, not the first one. This step is crucial for every scene. Upload the image that you downloaded after generating images for each scene. This way, proceed step by step, generating images for each scene in the same manner as the first scene, but with variations to match the story's progression. Now we have all the material ready for all the scenes. Let's move on to the next step, which involves using Pikalabs for image-to-video conversion. To create an account on Pikalabs and know how to sign up, refer to the last video. You will find the link in the description or by clicking the I button above. Once you are in Pikalabs, join any of the generate groups, as these are necessary to start generating videos. Next, in the prompt box, type /create and then type horror story, because we are creating a horror story video. Depending on the content of your video, adjust the prompt accordingly. Then, click on the +1 option, and here you will find the option to upload images. Upload the images you generated using Bluewillow one by one. After uploading, press enter, and the system will start generating the video for you. When your videos are ready, you'll see a highlighted pop-up. If not, you can directly go to your inbox and under the Mention tab, click on Jump to quickly access your generated video for download. This way, you won't have to search for your videos individually. Remember, for each image, you need to provide a new prompt and then generate the image. Follow this process to generate videos, and you'll have videos for all your scenes. Now that we have our videos ready for all the scenes and have downloaded them, let's move on to the next step, which is voiceover. For the voiceover, we will use 11 Labs. After signing up on 11 Labs, paste your script here. Then, select the desired voice and generate the voiceover. Download it from here. Now we have our voiceover ready, along with our videos, we are all set. To assemble these elements, let's move on to the final step, which is using canva.com. First, click on Create a Design and select the size for your video. Once done, an empty canvas will open. In the sidebar, click on Upload to upload all the videos and audio we generated. After this, add the videos to the design one by one in sequence, aligning with the scenes. Once you've added all the videos, position the cursor at the very beginning. Now, add the voiceover to the video. If you see the Pikalabs watermark in your videos, you can remove it by going to the cropping option. Enlarge the video slightly to ensure the watermark is removed, as you can see here. So, the videos are now fully prepared. Download them, and let me show you a preview. Don't watch it alone. Now, you can enjoy your video. It was a moonless night, and the road stretched ahead like a yawning abyss.